So you run diagnostics on a Pyronix enforcer panel. Enter your engineer's code and press note until you get to diagnostics. Press yes. The screen will show wireless devices. If you would like to diagnose your wireless devices, press yes. You can view inputs, press yes. It will then show wireless inputs end station. The end station is your main panel. If you have any expanders, for example, select the relevant address of your expander. Press yes. This will now show the wireless inputs on the system. So for example, if I was to open the front door, it will show as open. You can then also view your wireless inputs signal strength. Again, select the expander. On this case, and normally it will just be the main panel, so you just leave that how it is. Press yes. It will show please wait on the screen. The wireless devices will then communicate with the panel back and forth and determine the signal strength. If you've got a big system, leave this until the screen goes to this. In this case, the signal strength between the contact and the panel is 3. You can view your bell signal strength. In this case, we haven't got a bell. Arming stations, so that is basically another keypad or arming station on your enforcer. We haven't got one. This is to view your wireless inputs battery, so press yes again. It will then start the countdown again. If you've got a big system, just leave this to it and it will eventually go round and find them all. The LEDs on the devices will also light up, so green is obviously good. And there you go, we've got a good battery in our wireless device. Few bells, battery status, same thing, arming status. So this is your wireless dual frequency menu. So if you're having, for example, wireless communication faults, etc, or it's showing jamming or something, come to this menu, press yes, select the relevant, it will be the same, so just leave that how it is. Press yes. It will then show you what channel the panel is using. So this is using channel 1. It's using channel 1 because there's no reason to change. This will tell you if it's using its standard frequency or dual frequency. It is currently using dual frequency, so that means that the panel is communicating with the wireless devices, the wireless devices are communicating back. Single frequency means that it's one way, so they're not communicating with each other, it's either one or the other. This will show the first standard frequency device. There ain't none, they're all on dual frequency. That's that menu. You've got your wired devices, view inputs, end station inputs. As you can see, the PIR activates. That switches. Here you can view your panel's Psu voltage. So for example, it's 13.3, 13.2. That is normal and that's what you should expect from your enforcer. So that's the voltage coming out of the Psu. Obviously going in will be your 230 main supply. Here you can diagnose your communications. So your PSTN line status. And yeah, there's your diagnostics. Thanks for watching. Any questions, leave a comment.